ACH just started, guys. It started 69. I can see the parabolic saw. Wow, I think I'm gonna go with some of ACH. It looks like it's a full one, guys. Even though, look at it. See what is happening. Even though it's just one SAR, I wish it could be two. I like it when it's like two or three. I think I'll come back. It looks like as if it's gonna pump up high. I'm seeing that it looks like that, but I'm taking a chance. If I do this, I'm taking a chance because this is not even a full candle. So the other ones were pumping when I took them. I need to see this pump. No, it's going down. I think time is my best friend on this ACH. I think I should just hold on. I think I should just hold on and come back in a bit. So, oh, it's going up, guys. Look at it. Oh my God. Wow. Do I want to go with this? I can see the volatility is high, guys. The volatility is high. This is a chance. I'm thinking on my feet. I don't know. Should I take this one? Okay, let me give it some time, guys. Let me give it some time. Time is always my best friend. I think I should just give it some time. Okay, let's check ACH again. Let's check ACH again. Did it go up? I don't know. I'm trying to confirm. Let's look at it. If it breaks up higher, oh, it looks like it's breaking up higher. It looks like it's going up. Let's go with it. I'll just take a chance. Just using gut feeling right now. I am taking a chance on this. I'm taking a chance on this. Let's go with $50. I'm taking a chance. 1949.96. I guess it's gone. Let's go ahead and just see. Oh yeah, of course it's gonna go. I'm looking at it right now. It's gonna go, guys. How much did we buy of it? Let's check. ACH we bought 49.96. Okay, let's go check and then quickly get this one on its way. Oh yes, to execution, guys. We are on our way to execution. Let's go there in limit. So that's ACH. That's our fifth one that we have taken right now. So let's go ahead. ACH, let's pick that one. Let's pick ACH. Wait a second, how much was it? How much is it? Oh, I don't even understand. Why am I going yeah, do it in convert. I want to do it in convert. Let's do it in convert. Why not? Let's do it in convert. I think it was how much again? Let's do everything in convert. I think I've decided to be doing my sell legs in convert. All right, we bought it 49.96, and let's see, is it going up? Looks like it is. It looks like it is. It is, baby. It is. Look at it. If I put it in the sell now, oh my God, we are in profit. We are in profit. Let's go, guys. Let's put this. Can you see? Let's see. Let's put this in there. Let's put the ACH in there, right? And then USDT. We are currently in profit right now, as you can see. We are currently in profit, right? So if I put the max here, you can see we are currently in profit. We are in profit, but we need more. We need more, guys. Okay, let me put this at 4.6 and see what this will give. My God, see 53. 4.1. What's going on? Oh. 4.5. What's happening? Okay, a little bit. Maybe I should make it 4.4. No, that's not enough. I need it to be 4. If I make it 4.5, it's slightly more. 4.4. 4.45. Okay, $1.34. Isn't that not more than necessary? Okay, let's make it 1.444. Let's see whether that will work. Okay, I'm cool with this one. Just a little bit above 2%. That's fine. I'm cool with that. Cool with that, guys. Okay, so we have a lot of them in the tray, as you can see. ACH is currently in the tray. Did I snap that? I think I did. So we're going to 1.444, right? Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It looks like it's gonna hit it, guys. It looks like it's on its way to being hit very soon. We're just going to 4.444. That's all we are looking for. And if it gets to 1.445, we have hit it. That's what it is. Okay, so ACH is already in the tray right now in the convert section. ACH has executed. Look at that. ACH has given us money, guys. I told you ACH was already revving up to execute. That was awesome. Wow, we've got $51.23. Let's go and see how much did we buy ACH. I think we bought that. Oh my God, another one has executed. I love that, guys. I love that. Yeah, so ACH, we bought it as 49.96. Okay, 49.96. Take note of that. You know that all these things we're doing inside Convert right now, there's no charges to it. Yeah, there are no charges to it because it's Convert. Okay, so we actually bought, that's 51.23, am I right, minus 49.96. Am I cool? I think I am, but let me just confirm one more time so that we can be sure about that. Yeah, so let me see. ACH 49.96. Yes, 49.96 is correct. And then we had, what was it that we had? Let me see. Okay, that was, yeah, 51.23. So we're cool, guys. We are actually cool. So as you can see here, ACH has given us this, right? So we are just gonna go ahead and check what the calculation will be. This is oh, what did I just do right now? I can't even remember. Was it not $1.20? I could even get 51. Let me do it again. 51.23 minus 49.96. I wasn't taking, okay, $1.21. $1.21. Okay. $1.27. I mean $1.27. Okay. So we had 49.96 times, I think that should be 2.4. It's okay, it's more than that. 2.5. Yeah, we bought, it's going to be more than that. 2.7. No, not up to that. 2.6. 2.56. Yes, so around 2.56. Let me, if I put 2.55, that should be fine. 2.55%. That's okay, guys. Look at it. We have 2.55% for our $1.27 trade. That was for ACH, right? ACH. Interesting. Thank you, people, for being on board. Thank you so much.